Okay, good morning to all of you. As today we are here for the practice of the group discussion. Today's our topic is Uniform Civil Code. First, you have to introduce yourself in the first half of the minute. Then in next half, means after 30 seconds, you have to give a brief introduction about your topic. What do you mean by UCC? Why UCC in the news? What are the benefit of UCC? What are the challenges in implementing UCC? What are the famous landmark cases? And what should be the way forward? We must talk on all the aspect of the UCC. Okay. Once the narration and introduction of test number 49 will finish, automatically your group discussion will start. Try to participate actively in that group discussion and try to give your best in the discussion. Got it? Any question? Okay. Test number 09, you can start with your introduction and narration.
Hello everyone, my name is Srishti. I hail from Mau, Uttar Pradesh. I have qualified my 12th class in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing graduation from my district college. My father is a businessman and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading books, novels, stories, etc. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides me an adventurous and disciplined life and it is a most respectable job in our society. I would like to tell you about the GD topic UCC. First of all, I want to tell you that what is UCC. UCC means Uniform Civil Code, which which refers to equal rights for all people who belongs any religion, caste. Um, UCC is the part of our constitutional design, DPSP, in Article 44.
Okay, next.
So Jai Hind friends, my name is Harshit Singh and I have passed my class 12 with 80% marks and I am pursuing BSc from Professor Rajendra Singh Rajju Bhaiya University, and my mother is a dedicated homemaker and my father is a teacher. Now I am joined Indian Air Force. I want to become a joint Indian Air Force because I serve before self and I support my family economically and financially, and my hobbies are playing cricket and solving maths problems. And we all here to discuss group discussion topic UCC. UCC stand for Uniform Civil Code. UCC makes a why it uses UCC. UCC makes a unity in our country and makes all religions and caste uniform, and the all rules in our constitution are amended in uniformly in our nation religion.
Dear friend, first of all, very good morning and thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ankit Pandey from Bhadoi district, which is famous for cotton industry. My qualification are I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Allahabad State University and I have completed 12 from EP board. There are four members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's not only a job, it is opportunity to do something for our nation. Dear friend, today I talk about the topic of UCC. UCC means Union Civil Code. It is the part of our Indian constitutions. It is mentioned part 44 part 4 and it is come forward the famous case Banu in 1985, and dear friend, it is come forward to see the many problems women 40 and the low sex ratios, and dear friends, it is given the opportunity of women have a divorce rights, and why is UCC not implemented because of worldwide corruption.
Okay, next.
Hello everyone, this is Aman from Sant Kabirnagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my intermediate examination in 2022 from Swami Vivekananda Inter College and currently I am pursuing my graduation. My father name is Mr. Ashok Maurya, is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. The reason behind joining Indian Armed Forces that the respect in our society and the courts that testify with glory. Today's our topic is UCC. First of all, what is UCC? UCC stands for Uniform Civil Code, which is a part of our Indian Constitution under Article 44, which is a part of Directive Principle of State Policy, in short, we known as DPSP. In recent, governments asked the people of India their opinion toward the UCC, whether it is implemented in India or not. We will discuss later what is UCC, what is the benefit of UCC, what is the problem facing in implementing the UCC in India.
Okay, start.
Hello dear friends, my name is Ankit. I am from Agra, which is famous for Taj Mahal. I have passed class 12th in this year. Recently, I am pursuing BSc from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are listening songs and playing cricket. The reason behind to join Indian Air Force is that it is my dream and it is a respectable job in our life. Today's our topic is UCC. UCC means Uniform Civil Code. Our constitution makers wanted UCC in place of different personal laws for different communities. And UCC is a proposal. UCC is a proposal to replace personal laws for various religion communities with a common set of laws for all citizens, and it is mentioned in Article 44 in our Constitution, which is the part of DPSP, and Article 29 also protect all citizens in the basis of religion.
Okay,
caste.
next.
Hello friends, my name is Saurav Solanki. I am from Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. I have passed class 12 from CBSE board, and my father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket, listening song, etc. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventure life and to provide the platform to serve the nation. And today my GD topic is UCC. UCC means Uniform Civil Code. It is implemented in Article 44 in Part 4. The government should also implement the UCC to provide the equality civil laws of every citizen in our country. It is very good to provide the equal civil laws of every citizen in our country.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Samser Patel. I am from Bandha district in UP. I completed my graduation from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket match, and I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to support my family financially and also serve the nation as an air warrior. Gentlemen, today our topic is UCC. So first of all, why UCC come in the news? Recently, our government of India made a 22 Law Commission of India, Law Commission of India, to know the opinion of the citizens of India about to implement UCC. So what is the UCC? UCC stand on Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil. It is the set of common rules that should be common rules of divorce, marriage, succession.
Next.
Hello friends, my name is Jitendra. I am from Aurangabad, Bihar. I have completed my class 12 from Bihar board and now I am pursuing graduation from Patliputra University. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because no other job offers you a handsome salary and respect at such an early age of life. Now I would like to talk about the topic Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code is a proposal to replace the personal laws of various religion. It is very important for our country. It promotes the integration and secularism in our country. It grants equality and equal status to women to challenge the primitive rules that against the human rights. On the other hand, many challenges of Uniform Civil Code that such as India is a very diverse country and very diverse religious country. So each community.
UCC, then we can simplify our judicial system and simplified it.
According
Article 29 is
to marriage, Hindu marriage act,
in this user
a
because he
person
says
can marry only one time,
to the children,
then it is
to
created
the
problems. Many
people
persons
to-
can convert
to save
Hindu
all-
to Muslim
all
and marriage many times. That is faces a problem.
I agree with you. UCC makes a unity in our country because it's a destruct. It is destroy the polygyny.
Gentlemen, we take many steps to implement UCC. Like first of all, to educate and to spread awareness about importance of UCC, especially minority groups. Second one is that
Yes, I agree with you.
In our country, many religious people are
So friend, the main reason behind the UCC is we are become unity and become diversity nations.
Okay, let's discuss.
But dear friend, UCC have break the many caste and traditions and customs of every caste and religion. As well as Hindu have other caste and traditions.
Yes, I agree with your point because UCC promote the many disruption in the society because of their common personal laws.
lose the identity of their community.
I think we have discussed more about UCC. Then please tell me what is the problem facing by the UCC implementing in the country. Like Goa has already implementing the UCC in the
Yes, friend, the state of Goa has
because the religious caste customs are
But I
destroyed
told
by
you
the
Goa has
UCC.
already done this UCC in
different
various
religious
states.
group fight. So first of all, how we can implement? First of all, to increase awareness among the citizens of the country to the importance of the UCC.
Although our Supreme Court and our government is in the favor of UCC, but the Supreme Court can't apply the Uniform Civil Code because of it can to be made only by the Parliament.
As friends, in Goa, the UCC is the extension of Portugal Civil Code 1939 and it impact on the society.
People should aware by the government to importance of the UCC and they know if they know importance of the UCC they can convince to implement of the UCC. So government should initiate a scheme, initiate a campaign to aware about the importance of the UCC among the people.
Gentlemen, we can implement UCC by eradication of social evils like sati pratha, child marriage, and second one is third one is triple talaq. All these type of social evils to remove we can take
Uniform
UCC.
Civil Code is the scheme by which we get to improvement the women improvement because of it is the lack of women and there are very harassment on the women's lack of
Yes, and I agree with you. We can also reduce polygamy in our society, our nations also.
Then what is the step taken together
The
to
government should
reform
aim
the UCC?
to eradicate those.
Okay, how was the discussion? Have you learned something? आपको अपनी गलतियों के बारे में एहसास हुआ? कहाँ पे आप लैग कर रहे हैं? ठीक है. Okay, chest number 9. Introduction was okay. Eye contact was could be more better and at the time of introduction and the narration of your topic. Fumbled in the narration, please work on that. Okay? ये चीज़ कॉमन आई है कि आप में से 90% केसेस में फंबल कर रहे थे नरेशन के टाइम में. इंट्रोडक्शन रटा हुआ बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है, फंबल कर रहे हो नरेशन में तो पर्सनालिटी इधर उधर शेक कर रही है. दोनों एक ही फ्लुएंसी में जाएँ तो ज़्यादा बेहतर. ठीक है? Okay, in the group discussion you were trying in the initial phase of the discussion but was unable to find the ground and that's why you gave it up in the later phase of the discussion. शुरुआत में कोशिश किया, कोई सुना नहीं, लास्ट में फिर कोशिश ही करना बंद कर दिया, है ना? तो उसी में आपको भी आना पड़ेगा, एंट्री करना लेना पड़ेगा. वो क्यों सुनेंगे? क्योंकि आप सुनाना चाहती हैं, क्योंकि आपके पास कंटेंट है. ठीक. 76. आई कॉन्टैक्ट वॉज नॉट ओके, सीम्स रोबोटिक. इस तरीके से एक कोने में ऐसा सीधे बैठ के कोई लग रहा है चाबी लगा दी, उस तरीके से आप बोल रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा जिंदा दिली के साथ बोलिए, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन के साथ. ठीक है? वंस गॉट अ ग्राउंड इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन. हाँ, ग्रुप डिस्कशन के समय भी आपके अंदर कॉपरेशन की कमी आ रही थी. कोई भी बोल रहा है, कोई मतलब नहीं है, मैं तो आंख बंद करके मुझे बस बोलना है. सिर्फ बोलने से सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा सर, उनको सुनना भी चाहिए. आपकी बात सुनेंगे क्यों? क्योंकि आपके अंदर वो कैपेबिलिटी है. Okay, 164. Intro was okay. Eye contact was also okay. Talked about the woman problem in the narration. Talked about the cases. That was okay. Fourth entry in the discussion, but was not that effective in the group discussion. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था? जब भी आप बोल रहे थे तो आप एक रेस में थे, एक ड्रैग रेस में थे किसी के साथ. हमेशा वो स्पेस नहीं मिल पा रहा था आपको, हमेशा एक के साथ बोल रहे थे. ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, वो गैप को ढूंढिए. 267. You talked very less amount of content in your narration. Why? You told that we will discuss about this later in the group discussion. Already we are going to do that. Need not to say that. Okay? In your narration you must talk about the content. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ ठीक है अभी इतना सुन लो बाकी हम डिस्कशन के समय बात करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता सर. समय से पहले आप ख़त्म किए हो, उससे अच्छा और थोड़ा बात करते हैं. डिस्कशन के समय भी यू आर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन, हाउ यू कैन से दैट, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स टेकन. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन से, gentlemen, as we have discussed enough about the benefits of the UCC, now we must discuss about the how we are going to implement the UCC. According to my perspective, by influencing the people of the communities, we can implement UCC. इस तरीके से अपने पॉइंट को रखते हैं. Instead of asking the question, try to reply those questions. Got it? 181. Introduction was okay, narration was okay, but eyes were low. Most of the time you are saying like this. थोड़ी सी गर्दन को उठाओ, इनसे आँख से आँख मिला के फिर बात करो. You were active in the initial phase of the discussion, but later phase में आप गायब हो गए थे. अंत में जाके एक आध बार आपका पार्टिसिपेशन आया, लेकिन बीच में बिल्कुल सन्नाटा था. ऐसा क्यों? तो आप उनको बताते ना. आई थिंक जेंटलमैन, वी हैव इनफ डिस्कस अबाउट द बेनिफिट, वी हैव इनफ डिस्कस अबाउट द चैलेंजेस, लेट अस डिस्कस द वे फॉरवर्ड. थोड़ा सा आप लीड करते हैं वहाँ पे. 261 डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना था. कोई सुनाई क्यों नहीं? कोई सुना क्यों? लोगों की सुन रहे हैं, आपकी नहीं सुन रहे हैं. तो गलती उनमें नहीं है सर, कुछ ना कुछ कमी आप में अभी आ रही है. In the narration part also and in the introduction part, your eyes were low, quite low. You are saying like this. इस तरीके से फौजी बनेगा भाई. इधर गर्दन को चिन अप, आई कांटेक्ट रख के तभी बात करने का. ठीक है. 117. Introduction was okay. Don't look to the scissor. You are discussing among your group members, so try to have a look to your group members only. ठीक है. एसएसएस को इग्नोर करना उधर. ठीक है. आपने नरेशन के समय 22nd लॉ कमीशन के बारे में बात की. ओके, दैट वाज ओके. बेनिफिट ऑफ यूसीसी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आपने बात की. फिलर्स अभी भी आ रहे हैं, उन फिलर्स को अगर कम कर देंगे तो फिर अच्छा है. थोड़े से कॉपरेशन और बढ़ा सकते हो. ठीक है. लैक ऑफ पॉलिटिकल विल भी आपने बताया था. ओके. 189. लो वॉइस इन नरेशन और डिस्कशन, नरेशन और इंट्रोडक्शन के समय जो वॉइस है आपकी बहुत लो है. इतने से नहीं हो पाएगा. उधर इससे भी ज़्यादा बंदे बैठेंगे, कैसे सुनाओगे सबको, है ना. फ्लुएंसी वाज ओके बट फंबलिंग इन नरेशन. इंट्रोडक्शन तक में सही था, नरेशन में फिर से फंबल करने लगे. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में यू आर नॉट दैट इफेक्टिव. स्टैमरिंग एंड लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस और लैक ऑफ फ्लुएंसी आपको रोक दिया इफेक्टिव होने से ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. गॉट इट. 115. इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके, आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज ओके, नरेशन वाज ओके. अबाउट केसेस आपने बात की. वाई इन द न्यूज़ ये बात किया. फर्स्ट एंटर किया था. वी नीड अमेंडमेंट्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये एक कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है यूसीसी को लाने में, इस पर भी बात किया था. ठीक है. मोरलेस योर पार्टिसिपेशन वाज ओके. ओके. 154. इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके, आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज ओके, नरेशन ओके था. केसेस के बारे में बात किया. क्यों, सॉरी ये तो फिर से 115 का ही बता रहा था. 154. आई कॉन्टैक्ट आपका बहुत लो था. ठीक है. ऐसा नीचे देख के बात नहीं करने का. फंबल इन नरेशन, नरेशन के समय फंबल किए. टॉक्ड अबाउट द गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव, दैट इज़ ओके. वॉइस में अभी भी रुक रुक के आ रहा है, जैसे कि नाउ गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव इज़ दैट गवर्नमेंट. इस तरीके से हर एक सब टूट टूट के आ रहा है, उसको फ्लुएंटली आने दीजिए. ठीक है. 280. इंट्रोडक्शन ठीक था, आई कॉन्टैक्ट भी ठीक था, टोन भी ठीक था, बट बहुत जल्दी गिव अप कर दिया नरेशन में. अभी भी 20 सेकंड थे आपके पास. क्यों कर दिया? कंटेंट नहीं था. मैंने क्या बोला था आप में कि नेक्स्ट, फिर क्यों किया? जब तक आपका एसेसर बोले नहीं नेक्स्ट, तब तक आप अपने पे बोलते रहिए. इतना तो कंटेंट आपके पास है ना, अब तो बोलो ना. डिफरेंशिएट किया आपने सिविल और क्रिमिनल लॉज में यूसीसी को लेके, दैट वाज ओके. थोड़ा सा और एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते थे डिस्कशन में. ठीक है. 52. आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन वाज ओके, टॉक्ड अबाउट द डीपीएसपी, बट यू ऑल्सो गैप्ड अप बिफोर द टाइम. समय से पहले ही आपने खुद को ख़त्म कर लिया, क्यों? मैंने बोला था क्या नेक्स्ट? थर्ड एंट्री था, केसेस के बारे में बात भी किया, टॉक्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंट लॉज। स्टैमरिंग अभी भी है, वो स्टैमरिंग की वजह से आप ग्राउंड आपको मिलता है, लेकिन बहुत जल्दी आप उस ग्राउंड को लूज़ कर जाते हो, क्योंकि जब अचानक सब आपको सुनते हैं या देखते हैं, फिर आप स्टैमर करने लगते हो, फंबल होने लगते हो। उस पर काम कीजिए। 49 इंट्रोडक्शन वॉज ओके, नरेशन वॉज ओके, लैक ऑफ फ्लुएंसी वॉज स्टिल देयर, रिजल्टेड इन लैक ऑफ ग्राउंड। फ्लुएंसी की वजह से वो मौका कम हो रहा है आपके लिए। मस्ट वर्क ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन एंड द फ्लुएंसी। ओके, आई होप कि ये डिस्कशन आपको हेल्प करे इम्प्रूवमेंट में, आपके पर्सनालिटी के, आपके डिस्कशन की। ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट क्लास विल बी बैक विथ एनी न्यू टॉपिक। टिल देन हैव अ नाइस डे। जय हिंद।